Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take another look at two stocks we recently discussed in prior videos. We recently released two videos on Novo Integrated Sciences Inc., ticker symbol NVOS, and Greenwave Technology Solutions Inc., ticker symbol GWAV. We'll also review Annexon Inc., ticker symbol ANNX, a GBS Phase 3 data conference play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button, set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called 5 100% plus runners today, June 3rd, 2024, in our private Discord for our members, and here are the top 3. One of our private Discord members called ALBT today, June 3rd, 2024, for our private Discord members before its parabolic run up 376%. We also called MBOT pre-market today, June 3rd, in our private Discord before it ran up 130%. And BPTH was called pre-market today, June 3rd, before it ran up 117%. We are just made different. This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get into it. First, with an additional update on Novo Integrated Sciences Inc. NVOS. Novo Integrated Sciences provides multidisciplinary primary care, wellness products, treatment management, and rehabilitative services, and it operates clinical facilities in Canada. NVOS ran parabolic with a slightly heavy float on Thursday, May 30th in after hours, and on Friday, May 31st, it went up 200%. Now today, June 3rd, 2024, it ran up 35% in after hours on news of a positive modification of the terms of the revolving credit line deal they're getting. It had a lot of volume on news of being approved for a $78 million loan from HSBC to pay for the acquisition of gems last week known as the Ophir Collection. The loan funds are to be received on or before June 14th, so we may see a situation of buy the rumor and sell the news. The company's market cap is currently $20 million. Now, as we mentioned in our previous review of NVOS, this stock's $20 million market cap seems significantly undervalued in light of the line of credit and the acquisition of the gemstone collection. A higher market cap could be in the cards for NVOS in the near future. It may be worth it for us to keep an eye on NVOS's stock price action this week for any news catalyst or additional volume. Here's an update on Greenwave Technology Solutions Inc., ticker symbol GWAV, which operates 13 metal recycling facilities in Virginia, North Carolina, and Ohio, which collect, classify, and process raw scrap metal and use several technologies to increase metal processing volumes and operating efficiency. Today, on June 3rd, 2024, its reverse split of 1 to 150 took effect, and there was a sell-off. The reverse stock split, which was announced on May 30th, was intended to increase the price per share trading price of the stock to regain compliance with the minimum bid price requirement for continued listing on NASDAQ. Now, this split has also made GWAV a micro mini float stock with a new float of 46,000 shares. As we previously mentioned, the pattern we have seen in the past several weeks has been that several of these micro mini float stocks have run parabolic. We will be keeping an eye on it. On June 3rd, 2024, Annexon Inc., ticker symbol ANNX, which is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing a new class of complement-based medicines for people living with devastating inflammatory-related diseases, announced that it would host a conference call and webcast on Tuesday, June 4th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to discuss GBS Phase 3 data. If this ticker moves, we may see a situation of buy the rumor and sell the news scenario. There may be a run-up in price up to the time of the meeting at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, and then a sell-off after the news unless the news is very strong. We'll need to keep an eye on it to see what happens. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, folks, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Novo Integrated Sciences, Inc., NVOS, a publicly traded medical care facilities company, Greenwave Technology Solutions, Inc., ticker symbol GWAV, a publicly traded waste management company, and Annexon, Inc., ANNX, a publicly traded biopharmaceutical company, have had a lot of news recently, and we will be watching them. With the right increase in volume, we believe they could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will NVOS, GWAV, and ANNX run parabolic? They will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade these stocks. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will continue to have NVOS, GWAV, and ANNX on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.